There's NoSQL with relatable real-world examples. So let's talk about first data structure. SQL, it's structured data. NoSQL, unstructured data. So SQL stores structured data in rows and columns like Excel sheets. NoSQL stores unstructured data or semi-structured data like JSON, key value, documents. Example for SQL, like when we go school attendance system where every student must fill name, roll number, class. And for NoSQL, social media profile where one user has bio, another only has a photo. Now we talk about the schema. SQL is having fixed schema. Has a fixed schema, you must define column first. NoSQL is having flexible schema. You can add fields anytime. For example, in SQL, government form with fixed field, you can't skip or add anything. NoSQL, WhatsApp profile. Some users add link, others only have name and DP. Now we talk about transaction and consistency in respect of SQL and NoSQL. So follows a sheet, strong consistency and reliability. NoSQL allows eventual consistency, more speed and flexibility. SQL example, bank transfer, ₹1,000 must either move completely or not at all. NoSQL Instagram like shows instantly, syncs to server in background. Now we talk about querying capability. So supports SQL supports complex queries, joins, aggregation. For example, admin panel that shows top selling products by month and region. For NoSQL, optimize for fast, simple read, write operation. Example, Zomato shows restaurant menu instantly without complex join. Now we will talk about the scalability. SQL scales vertically, upgrade RAM, CPU on one server. NoSQL scale horizontally, add more server nodes. Example SQL like upgrading one laptop to a better one. NoSQL like giving 10 laptops to 10 people to split the work. Parallel processing. Now we talk about the speed and performance. So slightly slower for huge traffic due to joins and strict checks. Railway booking system needs check and accuracy. For NoSQL, extremely fast read and write at scale. YouTube comment section. Speed is more important than order. Use cases. We will talk about the use cases. SQL best for banking, inventory, ERP, HR system. NoSQL best for chats app, recommendation engine, sensor data, social media. Or for example, LIC insurance, government hospital records. SQL is better. NoSQL, Netflix suggestion, Uber driver, location in real time. So these are the differences between SQL versus NoSQL. Thanks.